Guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte motherboard driver. So first you have to come on this. So first you have to come this website gigabyte.com, and you can see this is search button and enter your motherboard and then hit enter. H410MK. Click on product. You can see this. Then click to support. Select operating system. So you can see Windows 10, 11. There are two operating systems supported this motherboard. So both operating system installations process same. VGA driver. So you can see this is graphic card VGA driver. Click to download. And it is completed. Just single click to open and double click to exe. And click to yes. Now this is extracting. Now this is installing. So it is completed and this is installed.